Today, we will talk about how to start an accounting business from home. Let's have a look at the details. Accounting is a more diverse profession than it is often given credit for, and it can offer both the stability of a long-term employer and the autonomy of self-employment. Starting your own business is no easy task, but the route to self-employment in accounting has been thoroughly mapped. Identify what type of accounting services you want to provide and draft a business plan. After forming your business, obtain required permits and tax ID numbers. Marketing will be critical to your success, so analyze all available marketing methods. The first part is planning your first steps. Identify your niche. Before you open, you need to know what kinds of services you will provide. This process is called finding your niche. It's unlikely that you'll be a jack of all trades, so identify the services you want to specialize in. Decide whether to go full-time. You might be excited to jump into your new accounting business with both feet. However, you need to realistically assess whether you can afford to start a full-time accounting business. Consider partnering with someone. Partnering with an established accounting professional can help you get a business off the ground. Working with a partner means more industry connections and more capital. Decide whether to buy an existing business. In some ways, buying an existing accounting practice is the easiest option. You already have a built-in client list and visibility in the community. On the downside, this is usually an expensive option. Draft a business plan. Writing a business plan is a necessity if you need funding. Lenders will only extend a loan after looking at your business plan. Purchase necessary technology. Fortunately, accountants don't need a lot of equipment to run their business. At a minimum, you'll need the following, so budget for them: computer, printer, telephone, fax machine, copier and account software, like QuickBooks Pro. Find a business mentor. A mentor can answer your questions and be a sympathetic ear to bounce ideas off. Finding a more experienced accountant to act as your mentor will benefit you, especially if you don't want to go into partnership with one. Now, the second part is forming your business. Decide on your business structure. Every business has a certain structure, which will determine how it is formed as well as your legal liability. Consider the following common options in the US: sole proprietor, corporation, partnership, and limited liability company. Obtain other licenses or permits. In many states, you must be a CPA in order to start an accounting business. However, there are other licenses or permits you may need. Contact a small business development center to check. Obtain an employer identification number, EIN. You'll need this number if you hire employees or collect sales tax from clients. It's also a requirement to open a business account at most banks. Hire employees. Your staffing needs will vary, depending on how large you are. Buy liability insurance. Accountants might need several different kinds of insurance. You can shop for insurance by looking online or working with an insurance broker who has experience helping accountants. Find appropriate space for an office. Your office needs to be accessible to the public and large enough for your needs. If you want a home office, then check whether your home is zoned to allow for a home business. Fund your startup costs. A small accounting business should not be expensive to start up, especially if you are working out of a home office. However, you may need some money to get off the ground. Consider the following sources of financing: your savings, business credit card, small business loan, home equity loan. And the third part is marketing to clients. Create a website. A website is a must-have. People surfing the internet can find you. Also, if someone hears about you by word of mouth, they can go online and learn more about your firm. Distribute flyers for basic services. If you provide basic tax preparation services, then you can distribute flyers around your neighborhood. This is an inexpensive way to get your name out. Network with other professionals. As an accountant, your services are in demand from other professionals. Accordingly, you should raise your profile at the local Chamber of Commerce and with networking groups such as Business Network International. You can also join various accounting societies. Showcase your expertise. You'll draw clients if you reach them through public presentations and articles. Remember to identify your target audience, since this will influence where you give presentations. Remember social media. You can create Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn pages cheaply. They are a good way to interact with your clients. In fact, you can encourage clients to leave reviews on your Facebook or Twitter feed. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.